It is the Long Tailed Manakin doing their dancing ritual shaking to the female. Pay attention to that. Look at the dance. Look at the female. The cool thing about this bird is that this time of the year, it is the mating season of these birds. And what is cool about them? The dancing. The way it is showing up to the female. And there are 2-3 males already jumping, and she is just watching. The way they do, or how the males show up to the female, is in a nice movement of courtship, like jumping in front of the other ones, and then jump back, the other one pass under, and jump back, and the other one pass under, and it's actually what is happening right there. And of course, I'll share it to you, because this is not something about every day. It is the Long Tailed Manakin.